If you're a non-vegetarian, then you would surely love tandoori chicken. I mean, who doesn't love it? This is one dish that can be eaten as a starter as well as a main course. Originally a Punjabi preparation, it is made by slow roasting spiced and marinated chicken in a tandoor. But today, I'll share an extremely simple way of making it at our homes on a tawa. So let's get going. To make tandoori chicken, you would need 200 grams of chicken. Here I've taken curry cut chicken. 1 cup of curd. 2 to 3 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder. About 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander powder. About 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt as per your taste. 2 to 3 tablespoon of mustard oil. 2 tablespoon of butter. And some charcoal for smoking. So now we begin by washing the chicken pieces thoroughly with water, and then we will be making some incisions on the chicken flesh. Slit and make deep incisions on the flesh so that the marination goes deep inside it and the chicken is nicely flavored. Similarly, we'll make incisions on all the pieces. Now for the marination, we'll take a cup of curd or yogurt. Into it we'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and a little turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then mix everything together. Coat the chicken very well with this spice mixture and marinade. Give the pieces a little rub and massage the marinade within the incisions as well. Now we are gonna let the chicken rest in this marinade for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are gonna add salt as per our taste and give a mix. Now, if you want to add more spice to your tandoori chicken, you can add some more Kashmiri Lal Mirch, as it is less on the heat and gives a nice red color to the chicken. Mix everything well and set this marinated chicken aside for another 30 minutes. A lot of recipes also add a little kasuri methi into the marinade. So if you want, you can go ahead and add the same to your marinade as well. Now after 30 minutes, we are going to sear the marinated tandoori chicken on a tawa. For that, heat about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil on a tawa. And now we'll place the marinated chicken one by one on the hot tawa. Be very careful, as the water from the marinade, once it comes in contact with the hot oil, will splatter a lot and it might harm you as well. So be very careful while dropping the chicken pieces on the tawa. In case you don't want to make this on a tawa, you can also do it the same procedure in a pan as well. Or you can even grill them in a microwave oven or an OTG oven. Now we'll cover the pan and cook the chicken for about 15 minutes on medium to high flame. After 15 minutes, you can check that the marinade has dried up a lot. So we will quickly give a flip to all the chicken pieces and cook from the other side as well. You can also notice some char marks on the cooked side. To enhance the flavor more, we are going to drop a dollop of butter, cover the cooked chicken with the leftover marinade, cover back and cook again for another 20 minutes. After 20-25 minutes, you can see that the chicken marinade has dried up completely and the chicken has got some really good nice char marks, which means that the chicken is ready, but it is still soft and juicy. So we will now give a final flip to the chicken and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then your tandoori chicken is ready to serve. So take them aside in a bowl, and now to replicate the tandoori flavor, that particular smoky flavor, we are going to heat a piece of charcoal on direct flame till it is red hot. Once it is smoking hot, we'll transfer this piece of hot charcoal in the bowl of the cooked chicken. Drop some oil or ghee over it, and as soon as the smoke starts to emit, cover it with a plate and keep it covered for about 2 to 3 minutes, and your smoky tandoori chicken on tawa is ready to serve. Serve the juicy tandoori chicken with some onion slices and some wedges of lime. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes.